Space is full of mysteries, but some facts are so strange and mind-blowing that they make you question everything we know about reality. Here are the top 5 space facts that will change how you see everything. Stick around till the end, because number 1 is something most people don't even realize exists. Number 5, neutron stars. Imagine holding a spoon in your hand. Now imagine filling it with material from a neutron star. That tiny amount would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Neutron stars form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The pressure becomes so intense that atoms are crushed together into neutrons. What's left is an object so dense that getting close to it would be impossible. Gravity would tear you apart instantly. And somehow this is only 5. Number 4. Black holes bend time. Black holes aren't just powerful, they bend time itself. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves for you. 1 hour near a black hole could equal years back on Earth. This means, well, you feel like only minutes have passed. The rest of the world could move on without you. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. No. 3. Space is completely silent. In movies, space is full of sound. Explosions, engines, noise everywhere. But in reality, space is completely silent. There is no air in space. And without air, there is nothing for sound to travel through. Even the biggest explosion in the universe makes no sound at all. Just complete silence. No. 2. A planet made of diamond. Scientists believe that a large part of planet 55 concrete might be made of diamond. Because of extreme heat and pressure inside the planet, carbon may have turned into solid diamond. Imagine standing on a world where the ground beneath you could literally be diamond. It sounds impossible, but it exists. And now finally, number 1. You are made of stardust. Every atom in your body was once inside a star. Billions of years ago, massive stars exploded across the universe. They released the elements that would later form planets, and eventually life. That means you and everything around you came from those ancient stars. You are not just in the universe, you are part of it. And maybe that's the most incredible fact of all. If these facts blew your mind, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to follow for more amazing content. See you next time. So if you enjoyed learning about these incredible space facts, why stop here? Dive deeper into the wonders of our universe by checking out my other videos. From the mysteries of black holes to the secrets hidden within distant galaxies, there's always more to explore. Hit that subscribe button and join me as we uncover even more fascinating insights.